4 hours earlier.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good. What have you been up to?
At school playing sports. What about you?
Nothing really. I've been working. I'm actually having a party tonight. You should really try and make it.
I'll see.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I really want you to be there.
I'll let you know though.
Thanks.
Nice seeing you.
You too.
At this point, Grace was hesitant about her decision. She didn't know if she should or shouldn't go to the party. 2 hours later.
Hey.
Hey.
Is the party down there?
Yeah, it's right down there.
Fine.
Oh, hey Grace, how's it going? You got to try this, man. It's so good. Yeah, no thanks. Here. I'm taking two. Let's go. Ready, set, go. Okay, ready? Go. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Won that.
Oh yeah. Okay, now it's your turn. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's go. Whoa, wait, go. Go, man. Woo. Guys, someone forgot to do the tree
Oh my god.
Guys, what? Hey, ready? Shot. 2, 3, go. Alright, I know what the problem is. Brooke, grab a drink. Come on. Get together. You're right. Come on.
I'm gonna go and get some more booze. We don't need any more booze. I'll come with you. I'm fine. I'm fine. I can go.
No, I'll go with you.
No, I'm fine.
I'm coming with you.
No.
Yes, I'm coming with you.
No, you're not.
You're not. No. You should even be going to get booze.
I don't care. Guys. Where's Toby?
Oh no.
Grace realized she made a bad decision coming, since all that was at the party was underage drinking. She didn't feel safe in the environment and decided to go home.
Hey Mom, yeah, I'm heading out. This wasn't really the kind of party I was expecting it to be. Yeah, I'll see you later.
As Grace was heading out, Brooke and Madison had left a bit ago to get more drinks. Annually, 5,000 people die from underage drinking. 1,900 of the 5,000 deaths involve car crashes. 1,600 result from homicides, and 300 result from suicides.
Oh my God! Hello? Yes? Oh, girl is down hurt. We just ran her over. I don't know.
2 days later.
Miss Gonzalez, I just wanted to stop by and say that I'm really sorry about what happened today. So I really didn't mean for her to get hurt, and it's just, I feel really bad. It's really my fault.
Yeah, well, I mean, I forgive you, but I really hope you learned your lesson.
And I did, and it's really impacted my life how much she's like not.
It's
here
impacting
anymore.
my life too.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, well,
Brooke understood that she had done a horrible thing. Not only did she put herself in harm, but also all her peers. Since Grace was killed, Brooke was sentenced for 3 years and has a fine of $25,000.
When your soul finds the soul it was waiting for, when someone walks into your heart through an open door.